Hi, my name is Rafael. I'm with AM Cleaning. I own and operate the business here in the Tri-Cities. We've been serving the Tri-Cities area for 9 years now, so we've been around for a while. So one of the first things that I purchased from Another Bright Idea was the website. My business didn't have a strong website presence, so that's one of the first things that we purchased from them. After that, we started getting more into the SEO. So that way we can have more of online presence like in Google and such. So we went and started doing that with them. And then after we did that, we were so impressed that we decided to do more marketing stuff. So we did a little bit more social media as well. So that was the third one we did. So with Brad, their name stood out for once, and I've seen other websites out there, and I seen his name at the very bottom, and I always wondered, Another Bright Idea, what does that mean? I clicked on it, and then I noticed that they were a marketing agency who created websites, and after that, that's how things got going. So this is my third year with Another Bright Idea. The experience and the service has been great. They've been a company that's been a great part of our business, and they know exactly what they're doing. So everything has just been amazing with Another Bright Idea. So I would definitely recommend Another Bright Idea for any small business, big business, no matter how size it is. They definitely been a great asset to our company. So whether you're looking for a marketing agency to run more than just one thing, Another Bright Idea is the people to go with.